Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to share with you all a very simple cotton sari. This one actually I got it from my mom, and the main reason I got this is, if you notice here, up to knee length we got one color and we got a different border on one side, and if you notice on the other side we got the opposite color, that is the silver, and then the border is different color there, that's the gold border. So it's like a mix and match sari, I should say. The main reason I love this kind of saris is because you can decide which side you want to be the top and which side you want to be the bottom. So whichever side you like to be the bottom, you can stitch the fall on that side. So that's why I love this kind of saris. And I don't know the price of this, but this one I loved it a lot. And also for this one, this is the pallu we got. Very simple, again half silver and half gold color or cream color design we got, and then they have given a very slight pink border at the end of the pallu. Also this pink border, for any sari, if you add just a small light different tone border, it will give that elegant and stunning look to the entire look of the sari. Our sari is a plain cotton sari we took, but for this sari we are going to mix and match with the latest and trendy blouses or existing work blouses that we already have. That's our channel goal, always reuse it more than once, but each time you wear it you'll get a different look. That's the channel goal. So now let's move on to the blouses. So the first blouse that I got here, this is the back side of the blouse. This one is like a very uniquely designed, and especially for the hands you got this way, and it matched very well to the sari as well. And this one actually I did not buy for this sari, I got this for a linen sari, but look at how well this is matching. That's our channel goal. Now let's move on to the second one. This one is a work blouse. It's been with me for almost 6 to 7 years, but since this is a Kalneta blouse, matched very well, and especially we have this colors in here, like gold and silver, perfectly matched to our border. It don't have to be like super duper match, but still it matched very well to this sari look and everything. Now let's move on to the third one. Third blouse is one of my favorites, I should say. This one I got it just like that because I love the black with all these colors, and then the way that they have stitched is they just added this 3-button design kind of thing. And especially for this sari I don't have any blouse, but look at how well this matched, because our sari has this cream color and pink color going on, and it matched for both sides of our border. And if you look, the overall look of this blouse, even though we got black, the colors that are very loud in this blouse is like the pink and then this yellow or gold color look. This is how it matched. Subscribers, let me know what you all think, friends, because I think this suited so well to this sari, and all we spent for this sari is maybe less than 1500. I'm not sure about the price, but I'm just saying this is a very simple cotton sari. And now let's move on to the necklace that I have designed. The main reason I want to share this one for this sari, which I've already shared in my previous videos, but it matched so well to the border, and also this got this silver lines on this sari, and our beads also have this light silver touch to it, like even though you don't have to be matched, but look at how well this matched to the blouse also here. So that's why I loved it a lot. And also just to the edges or to the ends of each side we got this simple subtle look lockets, which is like takes the necklace to a next level. So now let's move on to the second pendant that I've selected. The main reason I've selected this is because of this blouse, and also if you notice here, the buttons here is matching so well to the silk thread, and also this one has this silver lines and everything. This locket is a perfect match to it, and also it gives that trendy and unique look when you wear this kind of sari with this blouse, and also with this mix and match color tone and everything. And if you look closely, look at how well this is matching with the buttons that we got for the blouse as well. Subscribers, let me know what you all think in the comment section. So it means a lot to me, so I can make more videos like this. Now let's move on to the earrings. So the first earrings that I've selected, I mainly focused on my necklace that I've designed, and also this one matches very well not only to this black blouse, but just in general it matched very well to the pink border, and also that's why I mix and match this one. And now moving on to the second ones, these ones is like Lakshmi Amavaru's earrings, and it matched so well. It's like unique, and you got this ruby design and everything matched very well, and it's long earrings, so it it's a trendy and everything, so that's why I mix and match with this. this. And now moving on to the third one, our sari has this gold color going on. Even though it has that red stones, it doesn't matter. In general, it got this gold design and everything. Thought this would be a better fit for this. And I've already told in my previous videos, these are one of my favorites, and I got these from Commercial Street, Bangalore. Now let's move on to the bangles. The first bangle that I've selected is this one. This one is like a trendy bangle. I told you guys already, this one I got it as a set, but I always use this as a single bangle. Can match to anything, and it didn't change a color or anything. And then now let's move on to the cloth bangle. Look at how well this is matching with this pink, and it perfectly matched to the silver border that we got here. So that's why I thought like this is a unique design, matching so well to the blouses that we have and also to the sari. Now let's move on to the third ones. This is the set. I did not mix and match with any other color. This is how I got the set like this. And look at the way that it's matching, and especially got this gold design and everything with the pink border and everything. So the cloth bangles are always the best. So that's all for today, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching Shilpa's Home 360. This is Shilpa signing off. Have a good one, everyone. Bye.